Do you get sciatica when you bring that leg up and you feel that increased tension through there, like, woo, I can't even straighten that leg? We're gonna do a sciatic nerve floss. Okay, so what you can do is support yourself. You can grab that knee. I'm gonna hold this fake nerve here for just a second longer. And what you can do is, keeping everything relaxed, we can just gently flex and extend this leg. So let's extend it, no flex. You see this nerve, it relaxes, it gets a little bit of tension. It relaxes, gets a little bit of tension. Just keep doing this. This is helping to move that nerve around a little bit. Too much movement will definitely irritate a nerve, but a little bit of movement can help start to mobilize it. It can help increase intraneural blood flow, so nerve blood flow, which can help calm things down by getting those chemical irritants out of there, okay? Work into this further over time, try to extend further as it allows you to. An additional trick that you can add to this is, let's say, let me get the fake nerve out of here now. Let's say you've kind of hit your limit, all right? Maybe you can only get it this far, or maybe you can get it all the way. An additional trick you can do is, once you've hit that limit, you can keep it there, assuming it's not painful. This should not be painful. You can keep it there, and then you can bring the leg in, so adduct, and out, abduct. Keep doing this. This is an additional form of mobilizing the nerve. It still is moving it around a little bit. So if you kind of maximized your point in one direction, you can get a little bit more motion by adding in this side-to-side motion. Like I said, this increases nerve blood flow. It'll calm the nerve down. It'll help mobilize it. It'll help mobilize the tissues that nerve goes through as well. And this could be a very, very helpful addition to your sciatica routine, so that maybe over time, if someone were to come up and try to stretch your leg like I did in the beginning, you're not going to be going, oh, don't pull my leg, or you can actually stretch your hamstrings for once, or you can actually exercise or do the things you want to for once, because so many people are dealing with low back issues and sciatic issues that don't know how to address them and aren't doing it the right way. So this is one method that you can do on your own, and I encourage you to try it. If it only gets you so far though, we should talk. We should figure out how we can do this together as a team. If you learned something from this, or if you're dealing with sciatica related issues, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and use the link in the bio if you have any additional questions, so that I can help you learn more ways that you can fix your low back and avoid drugs, injection, and surgery.